Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to find winning products for your dropshipping store. As an online business owner, finding the right products to sell is crucial for your success. In this video, we will provide you with practical tips and strategies to help you identify the most profitable products for your dropshipping store. Whether you're just starting or looking to improve your current offerings, this video will provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to succeed. So, let's get started. Welcome to Double Z, the channel that's dedicated to helping you grow your online business. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to take your existing business to the next level, we're here to provide you with the knowledge, tools, and strategies you need to succeed. From dropshipping and affiliate marketing to social media and SEO, we cover a wide range of topics that are essential for building and scaling a successful online business. So, if you're ready to take your business to new heights, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community of like-minded entrepreneurs. Let's grow together. Number 1. Analyze trending products. Check out popular marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, and AliExpress, and analyze the trending products. Keep an eye on the latest trends in your niche and look for products that are in high demand. This will give you an idea of what products are popular and selling well. Let's say you have a dropshipping store that sells pet products. You can go to Amazon and search for pet products to see what is trending. You may notice that dog grooming tools are popular, with many positive reviews and high sales. This could be a good product to add to your store. To find winning products for your dropshipping store, it's important to stay up to date with the latest trends. You can do this by analyzing products that are popular and in high demand in your niche. Check out popular marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, and AliExpress to see what products are trending. Pay attention to the number of reviews and ratings, as well as the overall ratings of a product. This will give you an idea of what products are selling well and what products are in high demand. Number 2. Research competitors' stores. Check out other dropshipping stores in your niche and see what products they are selling. Analyze their best-selling products and try to find a unique angle that differentiates your store from theirs. Suppose you notice a competitor's store that sells eco-friendly pet products. After analyzing their store, you notice that they are selling bamboo dog bowls. You could differentiate your store by selling a similar product, but with a unique design or additional features, such as a non-slip base or a lid. Another way to find winning products is to research other dropshipping stores in your niche. Analyze their product offerings and see what products they are selling. Look for their best-selling products and try to find a unique angle that differentiates your store from theirs. You could offer a similar product, but with a unique design or additional features that make it stand out. Additionally, you could offer a complementary product to go along with a competitor's product, such as a dog leash to go with a dog harness. Number 3. Use keyword research tools. Use keyword research tools like Google Trends and Keyword Planner to find out what people are searching for in your niche. Look for keywords with high search volume and low competition, and use them to optimize your product descriptions and titles. Using Google Keyword Planner, you can search for keywords related to your niche, such as eco-friendly pet products. You may notice that organic dog food has high search volume and low competition. You can use this information to optimize your product descriptions and titles. Keyword research tools like Google Trends and Keyword Planner can help you identify keywords that are relevant to your niche and have high search volume. Use these tools to find out what people are searching for and what products are in high demand. Look for keywords with low competition and use them to optimize your product descriptions and titles. For example, if you have a store that sells fitness equipment, you could target keywords like home gym equipment or resistance bands. Number 4. Social media. Keep an eye on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to see what products are being promoted by influencers and trending among users. Social media can be a great way to gauge the popularity of a product and get ideas for your store. You follow a few pet influencers on Instagram and notice that they have been promoting dog harnesses with reflective straps. This could be a sign that reflective dog harnesses are trending, and you could add them to your store. Social media can be a great way to gauge the popularity of a product and get ideas for your store. Follow influencers and relevant accounts in your niche to see what products are being promoted and what products are trending. Look for comments and engagement to see what products people are interested in. For example, if you have a store that sells beauty products, you could follow beauty bloggers and influencers to see what products they are using and promoting. Number 05. Customer feedback. Take note of customer feedback on your store and see what products they are interested in. Use customer feedback to tailor your product offerings and improve your store's overall customer experience. You notice that customers are leaving positive reviews on your store for your pet grooming brushes. You could use this feedback to add more grooming tools to your store, such as a dog hair clipper or a pet hair removal glove. Listening to customer feedback is key to finding winning products for your dropshipping store. Pay attention to the reviews and comments that customers leave on your store, and see what products they are interested in. Use this feedback to tailor your product offerings and improve your store's overall customer experience. Additionally, you could send out surveys or polls to your customers to get their feedback on new products or product ideas. This will help you understand what products are in demand and what products your customers want to see in your store. By using these methods to find winning products, you can build a successful dropshipping store that caters to your target audience's needs and interests. Remember to keep experimenting with new products and stay up to date with the latest trends in your niche. And that concludes our guide on how to find winning products for your dropshipping store. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Remember, finding the right products takes time, research, and experimentation. By following the tips and strategies we've provided in this video, you can build a successful dropshipping business that caters to your target audience's needs and interests. So, go ahead and put these methods into practice, and don't be afraid to try new products and approaches. Thank you for watching, and we wish you all the best with your dropshipping business.